Hi, hello viewers. Greetings from Manipal Academy and MIS. I hope that all of you are doing well. Briefly recapitulate in the last part 3, I discussed about three core categories of 21st century career skills. The first was the foundational literacies, then I mentioned about competencies or 4Cs, and third, the life skills. In this fourth episode, I would like to dwell on the skills that can be universally applied to enhance ways of thinking, learning, working, and living in the world. The skills will encourage them to learn new ideas and develop their intellectual, social, and emotional capabilities. But before I proceed, there are a few questions to examine. How can teachers inspire their students' learning experience? Secondly, how can collaboration and communication open new learning opportunities? And how can creativity help students to explore new avenues and fresh ways of thinking? Now, let's begin with the first C, critical thinking and problem solving. Critical thinking actually refers to the ability for looking at problems in a new way, linking learning across subjects and disciplines through problem solving, reasoning, and evaluating. Thinking critically requires students to acquire, process, interpret, rationalize, and critically analyze information to the point of making an informed decision and taking action in a timely manner. The knowledge and digital era is demanding people with higher order thinking skills, the ability to think logically and to solve ill-defined problems by identifying and describing the problem, critically analyzing the information available or creating the knowledge required, framing and testing various hypotheses, formulating creative solutions and taking actions. For example, at our MIS schools, research-focused projects help students to build curiosity, critical or problem-solving skills, and computational thinking skills, also deductive reasoning skills to find out a solution. Our inquiry-based learning helps students to learn how to make best inferences and how to formulate and analyze various concepts. The second C is the collaboration, which means working together to reach a common desired goal, putting talent, expertise, and smartness to the work. Collaboration in a 21st century context requires the ability to work as team within a team, learn from and contribute to the learning of others, use social networking skills, and demonstrate empathy in working with diverse others. Collaboration also requires students to develop collective intelligence and to co-constructive, becoming creators of content as well as consumers. New skills and knowledge are necessary to enable team members to collaborate and contribute to the collective knowledge base, whether working remotely or in a shared physical space. Like for example, in our MIS schools, our various learning transdisciplinary themes shift students to more collaborative approach in which students has to work as a team. Our students are allowed to engage with one another. Interactive lessons are made or designed for students to collaborate and ask each other questions in real time without any fear of disrupting the lessons for others. The third communication refers to the ability to express one's opinions, desires, needs, apprehensions, etc. Uh, Either oneself appropriately or verbally or non-verbally for sharing thoughts, questions, ideas, and solutions. Actually, communication in a 21st century skill context refers not only to the ability to communicate effectively, either orally, in writing, in listening, both in socially or with a variety of digital tools. It's not just learning to use new communication tools, but also mastering many forms of rhetoric, a more challenging task. At MIS, our students are allowed to engage in conversation, provide and obtain information, express feelings and emotions, and exchange opinions. Students are allowed to present their outcomes, concepts, and ideas to an audience of listeners or readers on a variety of themes and topics. And the final fourth C is the creativity and innovation, which is often described as the pursuit of new ideas, concepts, or products that meet a need in the world. Innovation contains elements of creativity is often described as the realization of new idea to make a useful contribution to a particular field. Trying new approaches to get things that equals innovations and inventions. Creativity in our MIS school offers students to experience a situation in which there is no known answer, where there are multiple solutions, where the pressures of ambiguity is appreciated, and where imagination is honored over rote knowledge. Well, in conclusion, 21st century learning is a constellation of learner characteristics which equips students to enjoy high quality of life, work, and relationships by being resilient, intentional, creative, and confident learners who understand the value of collaboration, the relationship of efforts to results, and the need to be continually growing and learning. This is all for now. Thanks for your patient hearing. I hope I was able to provide a glimpse of what lies ahead in the future, and I hope it was useful for you. Thanks again. Have a great day. Stay safe and stay in peace.